My God, you guys gotta hear this. I'm not talking about my car either. I'm trying to be inconspicuous here, but there's an SUV in front of us. It's very new. I mean, it's like a 2000 something. Well, I guess that's still pretty old, but regardless, it sounds like he blew out every single manifold gasket on the damn thing. I'm gonna let off and see if he can. Do you hear that? Oh my God! And it's not like, it doesn't sound like, I mean, it's not a good sound either. It's like freaking air is escaping directly out of the block. Hear it? You know what it sounds like? It sounds like a kid riding his bike with a bicycle cart in his spokes. It's ridiculous. We might get a good shot here because we're not going to get any noise here, and I'm going to stick my phone out the window when he takes off. Look at this thing. It's new. Now listen. It's a Lexus, dude. It's a Lexus. It's a freaking Lexus.